Guys, what do you think is going to last longer? This 1 bar of soap or this 18 floral ounce bottle of body wash? So over the last 5 months, I've done this experiment. Now the bar of soap is going to be $1.40 per bar, and the 18 floral ounce body shampoo is going to be $6.97 per bottle. So keep that in mind. These were prices from Amazon. Now what I did with this experiment is each day I was home is I would use the bar of soap, clean my body with that, and then after that I would use the actual body wash and then clean my body with that right after. So I guess this may have been kind of a waste, but I wanted to do this for the experiment. And as far as the body wash, I would use the recommended amount, which was maybe like a little over a quarter size, and I would wash my whole body here. Go ahead and leave in the comments what you think right now is going to be the winner as far as which one lasts longer. And I kind of had my suspicion, but I wasn't 100% sure. So this is the Old Spice Fiji. It's going to be 532 mLs. This is 18 floral ounces. Now I started this experiment May 29th. So just keep that in mind. And this is the bar of soap right here. So this is actually showing you who the winner is. So the bottle is empty here, and it didn't last as long as the bar of soap. So we'll move this out of the way. We have the bar of soap, and this is how much is left. I was actually surprised how much of the bar of soap was left. I had thought this would be the winner, but I didn't think this would be the winner by that much. It looks like it's maybe about half the size, and I've got a new bar of soap I'm going to compare it to. This is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's about half the size, I would say, maybe a little bit over half the size of the original bar of soap. So that's pretty good for this being the, what did I say, about $1.50. It beat out the $6.97 bottle of body wash. So this went from May 29th to October 4th. So a little over 5 months, and the bar of soap did win. Were you correct in your statements down below? I am tagging both of these items in the description as well. Thanks for watching.